Good morning, students. This video class is an initiative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. This is Shravya Vyas and today I am going to teach you Social Studies Chapter 2, Earth, the Living Planet. Now let's explore the chapter Earth, the Living Planet. The topics covered in the chapter would be Earth as a unique planet, Earth as a living planet, shape of the Earth, what is the horizon, what is the coast, and what is the sky. Now, Earth as a unique planet. What is the meaning of unique? Unique means unlike anything else. It means it is the only one of its kind, or it is the only one of its type. And why is Earth a unique planet? First reason is Earth is the only known planet to support life. Second reason is Earth is the home to humans, plants and animals. Just look around you. You will find your parents, your grandparents, your brothers, your sisters. They are all humans. Now just look outside your window. You will find plants and trees. You will also find animals like cows, dogs and cats. That is why they say Earth is the home to humans, plants and animals. That is, Earth supports life. The third reason is it has been assumed that no other place in the universe supports life. That is, only planet Earth supports life. Because of these reasons, our planet Earth is known as a unique planet. Now let's find out why Earth is called the living planet. Tell me, what all do you need to live? We need air to breathe, we need water to drink, and we need the right amount of warmth that supports life. So our Mother Earth provides us with air, water and the right amount of warmth that supports us. That is why we say that planet Earth supports life. Can you tell me how planet Earth gets its light? Yes, the planet Earth gets heat and light from the sun. And do you know from where we get air? Let's say this is Earth. There is a layer of air surrounding the Earth and it is called atmosphere. I repeat, the layer of air that surrounds the Earth is called atmosphere. And do you know what the surface of the Earth is made of? Now let's look at this picture. This is the picture of the Earth. If you look closer at the picture, water is blue in color and land is brown and green in color. The surface of the Earth is made of land and water. If you notice, major part of the Earth is made up of water. That is, about 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water and 1/4 is covered with land. And because there is plenty of water on Earth's surface and because water appears blue in color, astronauts who took the picture of the Earth from space, in those pictures, Earth looked blue in color. That is why Earth is also called the blue planet. What is Earth also called? The blue planet. Many years ago, hundreds of years ago, people thought that the earth was flat, just like this. They were afraid to travel far. They feared they would fall off the edge, just like this. Do you think that the earth is flat? No, the earth is not flat. The earth is actually round in shape. So 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, he told these people that the earth is not flat. Now, who was Ferdinand Magellan? Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese sailor. He was a sailor from the country Portugal. And what did Ferdinand Magellan do? He gathered a fleet of ships on a long journey, and he set out from Spain. He started his journey from Spain and kept on sailing and sailing and sailing in the sea. And do you know what actually happened? After 3 years, he reached the exact space where he had started. So, what does this mean? This means that Magellan's ship actually sailed round the earth. Thus, Magellan proved that earth is round and not flat. Astronauts also proved that earth is spherical. Now, who are astronauts? Astronauts are people trained to travel in space in rockets and spaceships. Do you know the name of any astronaut? Any Indian astronaut? We have Rakesh Sharma, who was the first Indian astronaut to go to space in 1984. And we have Kalpana Chawla, who was the first Indian woman to go to space in 1997. When the astronauts looked at the earth from space, they found that the earth looked like a huge ball. Now let's learn about horizon. Take a look at this picture. When you look from a distance, the land and the sky seem to meet at this point. So, the place at which the land and sky appear to meet is called the horizon. So, in this picture, this place is the horizon. Now tell me, do the land and the sky actually meet? No, they don't meet, they only appear to meet. In this picture, this is the horizon. So from this level, if you try to come closer to the horizon, you will notice the closer you come, the farther the horizon seems to go away. So, no matter how much you try to come closer to the horizon, it always goes further and further and further away from you. Take a look at this picture. The place where the land, this is the land and this is the sea. The place where the land and the sea meet is the coast. So, the place where the land and the sky meet is called the horizon, and the place where the land and the sea meet is called the coast. This is the coast. And if we stand on the coast and face the sea, it will look as if the water and the sky are meeting at a distance. Again, this is also not real. This does not happen in reality. And finally, the last topic, the sky. Whatever is above the earth is the sky. It looks blue in color, but it is not so. It is just a vast space surrounding the earth. The sun, the stars, and the moon are the heavenly bodies in the space. And what is a heavenly body? Planet, star, moon, or any natural object in space is called a heavenly body. So, dear students, I hope you enjoyed this video. We shall meet again for the next chapter. Till then, bye.